Hello, English Go-Getter. Can you get 20 questions right? Question 1. The correct answer is letter A. Did John stay in a 5-star hotel last summer? Question 2. The correct answer is letter A. Did they buy the present last week? Question 3. The correct answer is letter B. When did you arrive at the party? Question 4. The correct answer is letter C. What did she cook for dinner yesterday? Question 5. The correct answer is letter C. Did you see your teacher at school? Question 6. The correct answer is letter B. Where did they go on vacation last fall? Question 7. The correct answer is letter A. Did he finish the project on time? Question 8. The correct answer is letter B. Why did you call me last night? Question 9. The correct answer is letter C. Who did you meet at the restaurant? Question 10. The correct answer is letter B. What time did the concert start yesterday? Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway done. What? Question 11. The correct answer is letter A. Did she visit her grandparents last weekend? Question 12. The correct answer is letter C. When did they move to this city? Question 13. The correct answer is letter C. How long did it take to finish the book? Question 14. The correct answer is letter B. Did she go to David's party last night? Question 15. The correct answer is letter A. Where did he study English before? Question 16. The correct answer is letter B. Did they watch a movie together? Question 17. The correct answer is letter C. Why did she leave early yesterday? Question 18. The correct answer is letter A. Did he speak to his boss about the problem? Question 19. The correct answer is letter B. Did he know anyone at the wedding? Question 20. The correct answer is letter C. Did she find out the truth about her friend? Hey there, English Go-Getter. You did it. You finished the quiz. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.